In today's video, we are going to explore best Dr. Myles Munroe quotes about dream, vision and success. Let's get started. Anyone who develops his gifts and talents will become a commodity. Desire is craving enough to sacrifice for. External circumstances will not change until internal belief systems change. Failure is not the absence of success. Failure is the neglect of trying. Failure is predictable if you break laws, success is predictable if you obey laws. I discovered and learned that truth when I was 14 years old. Not everyone discovers that. Some people take a lifetime to learn that. Find your domain and serve it to the world. God will not give you a dream unless He knows you have the talents, abilities, and personality to complete it. His commands reveal the potential He gave you before you were born. Hard work and diligence are essential to success, but they require an internal motivation. That internal motivation is vision. I believe that if you are talking about economic stress, the systems of the world are very fragile, and if we put our hope and trust in the systems that men have created, they will guarantee failure. I can guarantee people, then, that if they learn, discover, understand, explore, and apply the same principles that I learned, that success is predictable. I discovered that success has very little to do with education or race or disposition. It has more to do with principles and following those principles. If we compete with ourselves and not with others, then it does not matter who is behind us or ahead of us. Our goal is to become and achieve all we are capable of being and doing, and this becomes the measure of our satisfaction. If you cling to an experience that cannot accommodate change, this can cause you to become a victim of that change. He who worships the past will remain there. If you have hope for the future, you have true riches, no matter how much you have in your account. If you want to become successful, seek to become a person of value. If your vision dies with you, you failed. It is more comfortable to think about all we might do instead of working to achieve what we can do. It's safer to do nothing and know why you're doing it, than to do something and don't know why you do it. Keep your head and your heart going in the right direction, and you will not have to worry about your feet. No matter how many people celebrate your gifts, don't ever think that you are more important to them than your gift is to them. This is why many people fail. They fail because they think that people came to follow them. One of the greatest enemies to vision is sight. Principles are laws that are established by the creator or the manufacturer by which a product functions. If you violate those laws, then you produce malfunction, which is what we call failure. If you obey those laws and align yourself with those laws, then you are guaranteed success. Success in the present is only achieved when you put your focus where you want your future. Success is the potential destiny of all created things. The Bible is really not a religious book but a divine manual written by the manufacturer of humanity by which the product man is supposed to live. If we learn those principles and obey them, then we find that the process of failure to success becomes more inevitability than experiment. The greatest enemy of progress is your last success. You could become so proud of what you've already accomplished that you stop moving ahead to what you can still accomplish. The greatest failure in life is being successful in the wrong assignment. The poorest man in the world is a man without a dream. The secret to greatness is in serving everyone else. The world is so average, it doesn't take much to be a genius, just do a little extra. True success is not a project, but a journey. True success is what you have done compared to what you could have done. Vision is a conception that is inspired by God in the hearts of human. Whatever you compromise to gain, you will lose. When you believe in your dream and your vision, then it begins to attract its own resources. No one was born to be a failure. When you discover your gift and authority, that gift attracts people. When people come to you, they are not really coming to you for you, but for the gift and the vision that you are serving the humanity of your generation with. When you get before great people, you don't talk a lot, you ask questions. Work is God's gift to help you discover your potential. You are capable of much more than you are presently thinking, imagining, doing, or being. You are designed by God not to blend in, but to stand out. You are meant to be going somewhere, to be headed to a destination. The poorest person in the world is a person without a dream. You are not free until your past has no effect on your future. You are not important because of how long you live, you are important because of how effective you live. You came into this world pregnant with unlimited potential. You came to Earth to answer a question God knew would be asked. You are the solution to a problem in your generation. You can chase a bird from your porch, but you cannot take away its ability to fly. You can never change what you don't confront and transform what you avoid. You will never change anything that you are willing to tolerate. Your future is not ahead of you, it's trapped within you. Your work is not your job. Your job is what they pay you to do, your work is what you were born to do. Please let us know your favorite quotes from these best Dr. Myles Munroe quotes about dream, vision, and success in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.